Hi, my name is Tom White, and I am with Dry Ice Blasting of Westchester. We are a media blasting company. We offer two types of blasting. We do dry ice, obviously. We also do slurry blasting using CLEARBLAST equipment. And I am here at their facility to pick up another machine because I'm always adding to my fleet. My company has grown tremendously, and the support from these guys is the reason why. Their equipment has improved so much since I started doing business with these guys 7, 8 years ago. We had the first generation equipment that they had. It was good. I got it. My God, we've been using it. My business people love it. They call us back. We did Grand Central Station in New York City with that equipment, and they loved it so much they called us back 3 times. We get large clients. We do business with the government. We do business with the military. And I can't even say enough about how effective this equipment is. Now, in particular, I just want to point out that the new generation of machinery that these guys have was so impressive to me because they made everything so much easier. It's more comprehensive. It helps my team to be more productive in their work. I can't say enough about these guys except that I wouldn't be in the position that I'm in without their help and their support and their ingenuity. So, good luck, and I hope your business is as successful as mine. Thank you.